1, 2, 3, 4. Dhoom tech. Dhoom tech. Dhoom tech. Tech dhoom tech.
Do you want to create such a beat sync reel? If yes, then watch this video till end. For this video, you need CapCut application. In CapCut application, please create one new project. You need one video and 6 to 8 photos for this reel. I will provide the starting video in the drive link, so you can download it and use it in your reel. Currently, I am selecting 8 photos for this reel. Here you can see video and 8 photos on my timeline. Now we need audio, and I will provide audio in the drive, so you can download it and use it in your reel. The next step is to create beats on music. You need to turn on Secure VPN to create automatic beat sync. After selecting auto generation, you will get beats on your music automatically. Here we use beats after 5.5 seconds because our first video is till 5.5 seconds. In later stage we will add photos. Now our task is to adjust photo according to the beats. So usually every photo will have timing of 0.4 to 0.5 seconds. So you can do it by adjusting the photo length. Here I have done all the photo according to beat sync. Then you can see the sample preview for this reel without any animations.
1, 2, 3, 4. Dhoom tech. Tech. Dhoom tech. Tech dhoom tech.
Now I am adjusting photos with 9:16 aspect ratio because every photo added in this timeline is having different aspect ratio, but our output reel must have 9:16 aspect ratio. Our next step is to add animation. Here I am adding animation and applying to photos. The animation name is distorted left and distorted right. You have to apply the same animation to every photo alternatively, because the first photo will have distorted left, then second one is right respectively. Here we followed the same animation for every photo. So let's have a preview of this video. Here you can see the sample preview.
1, 2, 3, 4. Dhoom tech. Tech dhoom tech. Tech dhoom tech.
After editing, you have to export your video in 1080p 30 fps and upload it on your social media. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.